TV talk show. Smooth with beats on the background, easy to pick up. There are so many there. There's also filters. You can test some new filters, some new looks. And in general, I like the internet and the idea that it is like musicians and poets that they are challenged by the idea that everybody is watching, everybody is listening, everybody is watching, and so you are challenged. This is of course the same thing with a TV talk show. But then it is often a discussion, and you know this is how I see things, and then it is often a discussion. But I would not like to do these discussions on a TV talk show. Here people are free that if you want to know, then you can listen, and I like this better. So what am I going to talk about today? It is about how beautiful nature is. That is really it's really making me happy, and I'm determined to worship her and save her from mankind today was kind of destroying her. And my favorite animals is at this point today is the deer with this magnificent antlers. And whenever I see these antlers, then I think about the root of licorice tea, which at a certain point grows underground. Then above it is finished, and then they grow underground, and it goes bigger and bigger. And then I think if you put those roots out of the ground, then it is like the antlers of the deer. Oh, I see time's up. Well, then I continue for a second TV talk show, and there I'm gonna mention some other animals too.